So what I'd like to do, so I'd like you to get a real sense of, in some way in this, there isn't a personality, there isn't a self. The self is there, but we are a little bit beyond it here. So I would like to go to a place within you that includes both the personal that we did before and this space. So this is like the joining point. This is like the apex. This is like where both the human and the above the human, beyond the human, inside the human come together. So that's where I'd like to go, to see what happens here. So let's go to that space. The connection, the apex between human and transpersonal. Okay. So what happens when you are here? I amness.
Like either way. There's no space where I'm not.
Right.
I think.
In her humanness and in the bigger self. Say it in your words.
In just what I am.
And just what you are.
It's like I don't know. I can't.
I get it. I can feel it. Yes. Beautiful. What else are you aware of? Is there a difference coming into this right now? What happens?
Yeah, I feel much more present.
And
I feel like I'm really in the room, and I can really connect with you when I talk to you. Yeah, and it's like all that other stuff is here, but I'm also here.
Right, right. So there's something you embody. It sounds like you embody some of that spaciousness, and with you, she can actually function in this.
Yeah.
You know, make connections.
It's like they complement each other rather than detracting from each other. They can actually work
Well, you are the
together.
joining point. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it feels like really nice things could happen.
Nice things could happen. Right.
And in a way, things are really nice. Like that flower's beautiful, and it's beautiful in this room. The white walls.
So you're more aware of the room and the world,
Yeah.
being in the world. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And beauty. Yeah, I really appreciate beauty.
Yeah.
I get a sense of being several places at once, like, being part of several landscapes simultaneously, part of several tribes or harmonies or elements simultaneously.
Beautiful. Being several, I'm just repeating that so you can hear, being several tribes, being several people, being several landscapes.
Or natural elements or...
Beautiful.
Not having a separate...
Do you have a sense of action in this one? I mean, like the other was a little bit more passive. Do you have a sense of action? Does anyone have that? Yeah.
Enriched is the word that comes
Enriched. Yeah.
So it has an extra quality.
Yeah.
Associated.
Yeah. I mean, in a way, what we're exploring now is really the aim of this process. Is the aim that we can be inhabiting those deeper spaces that are really quite non-personal, where we stretch out and we get centered in our being. But that we can take our personality along and combine the two, and we can embody that as a human being. But they don't stay separate.
I feel a lot of compassion.
Right? Yeah. Compassion for
all the hard work that she's done to try to...
So you feel compassion for yourself. Beautiful. Yes. Yeah.
And a reverence for the preciousness of life.
A reverence for the preciousness of life. Oh, I think that says it all, doesn't it? Thank you very much. Thanks for coming and doing this. Bye.